Now we know the internal users. Now we'll take up the external users. Like who all are allowed to, from outside, can come and ask the questions. Like within your home, your mother, father, wife, all those people are allowed to all the information at home, right?
Right.
When outsider comes in, who is allowed the question? Not every neighbor can come and ask your bank balance or where you have invested the money. When are you going to buy? All those things. You may not like it. And you should not be telling anybody. But sometimes we have to ask, the government asks for auditing purpose, right? They send an audit thing. You have to answer it. The bank, if a creditor comes and asks for money, you bought something, okay? And the creditor, you have to pay the thing. Credit card guy comes and asks money. You have to give the money, right? The bank will come for collection. You have taken a loan. You have to provide the information. What is your salary, certificate, all those things, when you will be paying it, okay? So let us see who are all the external people allowed inside an organization or personal thing, okay? I would rather now take organization. Who are the external users of the organization?
Creditors, banks, and other lending institutions.
These comes under first category. In this category, why do these creditors, banks, and other lending institutions need the information?
To determine whether the principal and the interest thereof will be paid in when due.
Right. They are only worried about whether you will pay their principal and interest. They are only worried about their money. So they have a legitimate reason to ask for what is your income. Are you going to work? Okay. Will you pay my money? Okay. Due has come. Why you didn't pay? All these questions. Okay. So they can know. They have the right to know all the information pertaining to your payment fees. Okay.
Okay.
Let's take the second category of people.
The second category people is the present investors.
So who is they are external to the company.
Company or organization.
But the investor, if the owner, maybe a partner is also an investor. Okay. A partner may not be, there will be a sleeping partner, non-active partner, or partner outside, right? So he is an external, there are some external investors, maybe who has given money, but they are not taking any active interest. They are not owners or they are not partners. They are only investors, okay? Some people have given the money to the company, okay? Stockholders or present investors, something like that.
Yes.
So they need to know periodically the position and progress of the company. The position and progress is, what is the current position of the company, whether it is doing good, bad, the progress, how are they making progress with respect to the product or business, okay, progress with respect to the production ability, okay, all those things they need to know on periodical basis because they have put in their money.
Yes.
They need to know the prosperity of the business. What is prosperity? It is how rich the company is. Prosperity is how much money they are making. So if the business is making more money, at least they'll be happy. So that in order to ensure the safety of their investment. So if the business is doing good, yeah, they will allow the money to continue be with the company. If not, they will pull the money out.
Yes.
They can take the money, okay, and leave. Okay. So the present investors have the right to know, okay, so that they will continue to invest.
The third category of the people, they are potential investors.
The third category is potential investors. Who are the potential investors? There may be people who has money. They may want to put it into your company, okay?
To decide whether to invest in the business or not.
Why do they need us? To decide. To make a decision. Hey, he's doing good. The people are good. The accounting is good, transparent and open. The prosperity is very good. The progress is doing good. Then, hey, why not put my money so that I can earn good returns on investment? Okay? You don't want to put a money where that somebody is making loss. You want to be part of a successful guy.
Okay.
So they need to know that if you need to attract investors, you have to show them the potential. Okay, you have to show them the accounting information like position and progress information. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We have more now. Okay. We saw the first three guys. Now we got three more.
Three categories. And the fourth category is government and tax authorities.
Yeah, we need the government and tax authorities, right? Why do the government has to come?
To know the earning in order to assess the tax liabilities of the business.
Yeah, tax liabilities is important. For example, CTO may ask for where is the TDS? You might have tax deducted at source. You all know, right? So if you have deducted some tax, they will ask for, okay, give me the money, man. Okay, you are taking it from the clients. So they have to know the earnings in order to assess the tax. The government says advance tax, periodically pay the advance tax, pay the VAT. Okay, they have to periodically, we have to do all these things. The tax authorities will ask for the liabilities of the
Business.
tax liabilities of the business. Okay, they will say, hey, if you have deducted tax, you have to pay it within this date. You have to pay tax, advance tax within some time. If not, you will be penalized.
Okay.
So what are the fifth category?
Fifth category people is regularity agencies.
It's called regulatory agencies. Regulatory agencies. Who are the regulators? Auditors, external auditors. Okay, these are all the people who will look into your company and say whether you are doing good. Okay, tax is a regulatory agency. Okay, so the external auditors, like big companies, will have outside auditors to see whether you are doing good job. They need to evaluate the business operation under the regulatory legislation. Okay, big companies like big public limited companies, they have to have external agency look whether we are doing a good job, we are maintaining good accounts. Okay, we are doing the business operation correctly, documenting all the things. Okay, under the it's required by law.
Yes.
Regulatory legislation means it's a law. Regulatory legislation, how the company should work. That's called company law. A lot of things are there.
Okay.
We have to use the money effectively. Okay.
Okay.
What is the sixth category?
Sixth category people is the researchers.
Yeah, there are who are all the researchers? The market researchers. Okay.
Yes.
We hire them so that we can make progress in business. Okay. We have to diversify. We need the researchers' idea. We need to attract more money. We need the researchers how to bring more investors.
Yes.
All these people need our information, the company's information, to use in research work, so that they can present a healthy picture and direct the company in the right direction.
Yes.
Okay? So market researchers, you would see people knocking the door and asking, hey, did you like my product? Did you get the paper? Did you like it? Are you getting it regularly? All these people are external people, right? So the marketing, they take the information to provide whether the goods and services are reaching the right people in the right place. Okay?
Okay.
So they are researchers, they will help the company. Okay? Bye. Hence, these are all the external users and why the accounting information is needed for them.